Welcome to MD Unlocker. In this short video, we'll guide you through the process of adding funds to your MD Unlocker wallet using USDT on either the BEP20 or TRC20 network. Our goal is to make every transaction smooth, secure, and convenient for you. Let's begin. Once you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard. From here, click on Buy Credit. Enter the amount you wish to add, then click Next. On the next screen, select Pay Now. You'll be redirected to the payment page. Here, choose USDT as your payment option. You'll see two network options available. For best results, select BNB Smart Chain, also known as BEP20. Now, you'll see our payment address. You can easily make the transfer from your own device. Let me show you how. Open your Binance app and go to Assets. Tap Send, then choose On-Chain Withdrawal. Next, select USDT as the coin. Now, click on the Scan button and scan our QR code displayed on the screen. After that, choose the BNB Smart Chain, BEP20 network. It's very important to always select the correct network. Sometimes, Binance may display a small network fee below the amount. That's completely normal. Just make sure the final amount sent matches exactly the amount you entered on our website. If the amount received is less, the payment may fail. But don't worry, our support team is always available to assist you. You can contact us anytime for quick help. Finally, enter your amount, confirm the withdrawal, complete the authentication process, and within a few seconds, your payment will be confirmed automatically. After confirmation, the website will automatically redirect you to your invoice page, where you'll see your transaction marked as paid. Thank you for watching. If you ever need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. We're always here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates, new features, and exciting releases from MD Unlocker.